In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to turn off Google Cloud Storage. Managing your cloud storage is crucial for maintaining organization and avoiding unnecessary costs. Whether you're looking to pause your usage or delete unnecessary data, understanding how to properly turn off your Google Cloud Storage can be a game changer. So let's dive right in. First, you need to open the Google Cloud Console. This is where you'll have access to all your Google Cloud resources. To get there, simply open your preferred web browser and type in the URL for the Google Cloud Console. Once the page loads, you'll be prompted to sign in with your Google account. Make sure you're using the account associated with your Google Cloud project to access the correct resources. If this is your first time here, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. The Google Cloud Console is your main hub for managing all aspects of your cloud projects. Once you're logged in and on the main dashboard, the next step is to navigate to cloud storage. On the left-hand side, you'll see a menu. Look for the storage option and click on it. This will take you to the cloud storage section where you can see all the buckets you've created. Buckets are basically containers within Google Cloud Storage where your data is stored. Here you can manage, organize, and control your data efficiently. Now that you're in the cloud storage section, it's time to either delete your buckets or disable their usage depending on your needs. If you want to completely turn off your Google Cloud Storage, deleting the buckets is the way to go. To do this, click on each bucket you want to delete. Once inside the bucket details, you'll find the option to delete it. Be sure to double check the contents before deletion to avoid losing important data. If you're not looking to delete entirely, but rather pause or limit usage, you can disable the usage of specific buckets. This can be done through the settings within each bucket, allowing you to temporarily halt operations without losing data. Before you finalize your decision, you'll need to confirm your actions. Whether you're deleting a bucket or disabling its usage, Google Cloud will prompt you to confirm your choice. This confirmation step is crucial as it ensures you're making the changes intentionally. Carefully review the information on the confirmation screen to ensure that all actions align with your intentions. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully turned off Google Cloud Storage according to your needs. Remember, managing your cloud resources effectively can save you from unexpected charges and help streamline your digital operations. If you ever need to turn your storage back on, simply revisit the Google Cloud Console and adjust your settings accordingly. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips and tutorials on managing your cloud resources effectively. Happy cloud managing!